I wonder how hard it is to pop this mirror off of here. Without destroying my fingers. Some say there's some tabs back here to hold them on, and I'm trying to find them. There we go. Got it off. Just pulled really hard. Keep in mind, you got a couple wires here that you have to unplug because these go to the heated glass, and it might feel like you're breaking it, but you're really not. You just got to pull on it hard because it's really holding on to there. And you got the other heated mirror parts. But this is what it looks like with the heated mirrors. Nice and soft. But that's what is causing your heated mirrors in here. And it connects right to these little tabs. I don't know if you can see these or not. But these little tabs right here. So plugging them in. I'm not going to say there's one black and one blue, so you're going to have to try to remember which one's which when you put it in, otherwise you won't know. And that's pretty much it, folks. Yeah, that's what we got. Now I'm not going to do anything with this glass because it's broke, but yeah, that's how you just pop it out. I just forced it out. Doesn't seem to have broken anything, so I imagine forcing it back on is probably the answer there too. Makes me wonder, should I tear this thing apart? Maybe I should. Let's go ahead and disassemble this, because after all, it's not worth anything to me. It's broken. So we can see what actually holds this thing together, which is a few screws. So let's go ahead and try it out. It looks like these little screws here are Torx 15s. That's what they are. They're a Torx 15. I'm wondering, there you go. One screw holds this whole thing in here. One screw right here. That's it. That's all it took. Could have maybe taken the mirror out and used the same mirror and just taken this off. But anyway, it is what it is. What else we got here? This whole thing come out as a modular unit, I wonder? Don't know. Let's see what this does. Oh, that didn't do anything. Take these all apart, see what we can get at this motor. There we go. One more, I think. I think we got the whole motor. Yeah, buddy. Puddle lights, motor, everything. See how this all works. There we go. Pull this all out of here. It even has a part number, folks. Holy cow. And it looks like these are riveted in. So it makes me wonder how you can get that out of there. There we go. How do they do that? I'm betting this will feed back through, maybe. Give this enough room to then remove this. There we go. That's it. Let me get my little screwdriver here, because I think we can separate this from the rest of it also. This can be separated, so we can unplug all this and get that cord out. Let's see, if I pry up on that, and if I pry up on this, then if I push down on that and pull that, that pops out. That pops out, and this whole motor unit. I got a whole working motor unit here. So that goes into my parts bin. In case I got a bad motor, I can replace the motor. And then these, I fed it down in there, now I gotta feed it back out. Feed that in there the right way. There we go. If I do this the right way, ta-da! Bent the prongs just a little bit, but we'll bend them back. We have a working wiring harness for 2011 through 2014 with heated mirrors. So that's what we got here. It's part number 75114-1AG, revision AJ. So if you see that, that's what it is. Revision AJ. Plain as day, right? You guys see that? So this is all one part, and this is the other part. And I'm pretty sure these are just studs that they put in there. By the looks of it, they were screwed in there. So I bet you these could turn out, but that wouldn't do nothing. But that's it, folks. This is how it all went together. That's the mirror. So this is actually a good working piece with all these parts. This is garbage because that's broke. But working motor, working wiring harness, and a actual right hand side part. And what is the part number on this? Let's see. I can't really tell what the part number is. But anyway, that's what I got. let's check this out. There's a little tab here. There's a little tab there. Look at that. Disassembled it. And there's just a little retaining, forced retention in here. Little grabbing thing. So that's all there is there to punch that out. That's how that works. But anyway, I've disassembled it part way for y'all. But like I said, right here, if you could pop that out of there, you could pull this whole unit apart, because all that is pressure fitted in there with that grommet, or that spring. I don't know if I can, wow, generate sparks when it flies too. Can't really get it to pop out of there because it's grabbing onto there. But I imagine if one were to work on this long enough with a big enough screwdriver, we could get that off of there. Try a little heavier screwdriver, see what it does. There we go. Almost got it. Woo! Good thing I didn't have my eyes in front of that thing. There's a pretty hefty spring in there, and that thing shot completely up in a way. So if you're tearing this apart, don't be looking straight at it. It almost got me. But yeah, nice big old fat spring in there. That's spring loaded, folks, so be careful when you tear it apart. Anyway, I pretty much destroyed this. Ain't putting it back together, but I am hanging on to this and the wire. You never know. Spare parts are spare parts, right? And I know these worked. So I'm going to hang on to these. I'll probably hang on to the spring. You never know. I might have something to do with that spring. But anyway, that's it, folks. You got to see the teardown of the mirror. So this is how you deconstruct it, and you can reverse the video and put it back together. Only thing is that you may want to get one of these, because you'll probably wreck it getting it off. And it also had a gasket there too. So the gasket was up underneath there like so. That's how it was set. And it went right back down into there on this thing. And it just slides down, and they pressure fit it in with the spring behind it. Like so. And that's how they put it together. So, plain and simple. Anywho, that's it, folks. That's how you tear it apart.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.